Well, hold on to your handcuffs because the San Francisco Sheriff's Office is sounding less like law enforcement and more like a daytime soap opera. The star of this particular episode is Sheriff Paul Miyamoto's brother-in-law, Juel Perez De Leon, a longtime plumber at County Jail Number 3 in San Bruno. In a bizarre case that was reportedly kept quiet for a while, De Leon was allegedly caught by a coworker smoking cannabis in a maintenance area on Memorial Day weekend in 2022. When confronted about his highly illegal break time activity, De Leon's alleged reply was a defiant and wonderfully juvenile, "I'm a bad boy." This incident kicked off a larger probe, complete with allegations of grow lights and tiny little marijuana plants being cultivated in a maintenance locker, turning a county jail into the least secure greenhouse in San Mateo County. The rumors of his jailhouse botany made their way to the San Mateo County District Attorney, who charged De Leon with 2 misdemeanor burglary charges. Sheriff Miyamoto's office was quick to point out he was not involved in the investigation due to the familial tie, but he immediately took action to terminate his brother-in-law once the facts were presented. The weed-growing plumber is just one sticky weed in a rapidly growing garden of controversy surrounding Sheriff Miyamoto. The sheriff was recently caught clearing the way to rehire a friend who had admitted to lying to the FBI during the investigation into notorious crime boss Raymond "Shrimp Boy" Chow. This summer, Miyamoto's close friend and chief of staff, Richard Ju, was arrested on suspicion of filing a false report and fleeing the scene of a car crash. Miyamoto faced political backlash for endorsing Riverside County Sheriff Chad Bianco, a known immigration hardliner, claiming he did it because Bianco was a peer and a friend, not because he agreed with all of his politics. It appears that for Sheriff Miyamoto, the biggest challenge isn't running the jail system. It's just trying to find a staff member who hasn't either been arrested, lied to the feds, or cultivated an illegal drug crop in an employee locker. It's a tough time when the biggest law and order story in your office is your plumber's failed attempt at a high-security hydroponics operation.